Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I have the big reveal of the finished basement. I cannot wait to show you how great the basement looks. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you. If you're a new visitor and have not subscribed yet, my name is Jacqueline Marie and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, and shopping. And I hope that you take some time today to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss all the exciting episodes that I have planned for this year. So come with me and let's do the big reveal of the finished basement. Okay guys, it's time to reveal the finished basement. This is how the basement looked a few months ago. We started the construction back in September and it got finished in mid-December. This basement is about 2,186 square foot and we finished about 1,000 square foot. The rest we left it for storage. And now let's go down the stairs to see the finished basement. This chandelier is from Amazon. The first door is the door to the utility room and storage area and it's unfinished. This area is the bathroom and it's a full bathroom. My husband installed the tiles and the contractor did the rest of the work. The first thing that I bought for this bathroom was the vanity, and I used the vanity to select the rest of the fixtures, including the paint color and the tiles. I was able to find a tile that matched perfectly with the vanity color. Behind this wall there is some empty space and I asked the contractor to build the shelving to store all the supplies that we need for the bathroom. He also added this big bar to the shelving. I have not decorated the bathroom yet, so if you have not subscribed yet, please take some time to subscribe so you will not miss this episode. If you have any questions about the materials that I use for this bathroom, please leave a message in the comment below and I will reply to your message. I'm moving along with the tour of the new basement. Exiting the bathroom, there is a very wide hallway that leads you to the massive entertainment area that is 15 by 30 feet. This is the mini split that is dedicated for this area. And this is the sliding door that takes you to the backyard. When we were doing the landscape for the backyard, we built this small patio and also some stepping stones to connect to the large patio that we have in the other side of the yard. This is the furniture that I had in my previous home in Maryland. My husband bought a new TV that is 75-inch and he loves coming down here to watch TV. For this area, I selected two paint tones. This area is painted with a smoke color from Benjamin Moore and the wall across is painted with gray owl. This is the wall behind the bathroom and we decided to utilize the space for a closet. I have not fully decorated this section yet. When I bought this furniture back when I lived in Maryland, the theme that I used for the basement, it was a ski lodge. You can see them in this photo on how it looked in my house in Maryland. And now we're moving to the next room. This is a room that I'm going to use for storage at this time. My husband bought some shelving and I'm starting to organize all my crafts. It's kind of messy now, but because I have to sort out all the crafts. And continuing with the basement tour, we're going to go now to the guest bedroom. And this is a pretty good size bedroom also. It's 11 by 17. It has a very nice window that views the pond and also the cranberry bog. It also has its own mini split. This slide is from Amazon. As you can see, my husband has on top of the rug some supplies to start building the shelvings inside this closet. And last but not least, I have to talk about the floor that we selected. We selected the life-proof rigid core vinyl flooring. This is a very easy to clean floor and is water resistant. Also, the windows in this basement are very wide, and I'm planning to make a cushion to do a window seat. And my friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy the new finished basement reveal. Thank you very much for watching the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back and supporting my channel. For the new visitors who have not subscribed yet, I hope that you take some time to subscribe to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a fantastic week.